you saw the last two YouTube shorts, you know there's something very wrong with the yogurt. I found something else wrong with it as well. On the bottom, this expired April 16th of 2025. It is June. Why is this in my fridge? Why is this in here? Let me see if I can show you guys. Wait, let me see. Is it gonna be backwards? I should just push it down in a sec. You know, you can see it. Can you even see it? Oh, dang, it's showing it backwards. It's dang it. But it says it expired on April 16th this year. Why is this still here? That explains why there's water and it looks like full-on meat. How do I ate it without checking that expiration date. I spit it out. Anyway. Bye. I'll see if there's any more news on this on the weird yogurt.